Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to give you guys the real cow house airdrop. So this is basically a new airdrop through Telegram, and you'll see a lot of posts about this that hey, participate, you'll get this, you'll get that. But in YouTube you'll see a lot of comments, but there are no lack of like in-depth analysis. There is a lack of in-depth analysis, and like there's no legitimacy. It is also very new, and they are making like unrealistic promises, and like hey, if an airdrop is telling you we have this much, then basically it is a red flag. They also have no social media presence, poor website design, unverified team members. And honestly, having unverified team members should tell you everything, whether they are good or not. And then another person recently posted that you should not join it because they are withdrawing all the funds, so please don't join or connect your wallet to it. It's better to stay away from such airdrops. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.